Okay, so let's go add the first page. So I'm going to go here for pages, all pages, and I am going to go to the home and click edit. Okay, so here is my main page, is full width. We're not allowing comments, and in here on top says edit with Elementor. So before we configure, because it's two different things, adding content to a page and edit the template, that's different. And it's many different ways to do this. This is one way. So we're going to do with Elementor. We're not using the Pro. No, we don't need to unblock the power of AI. And here. Okay, so this is our first page. And here in the main page, we don't have anything. So we want to add a banner. So we're going to go here and add a banner. So we can use here, we have the basics, spacers, videos, and so forth. And here in the middle, you have this folder. And we're going to click here in the folder. And I'm going to look for headers. So this is free. So that's all pro. Let's see if we have something free, because I have not installed that. Single page, no. Theme, no. I really want to. Let me see about. This all pro. I guess because if I have that. Let's see, pages. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Now, okay, so I had connected this. So I'm going to add here a banner. So here. And I'm going to select this one because I want to add just a banner here. So now I have this little box with a plus. And in here, I'm going to add image. And it's going to be pause full maybe. Yes, and we're going to update. And I'm going to look for the picture here. However, if I add a picture, I cannot add anything in the on the page, just the picture. So let's go, and since I'm doing the header, I'm going to delete this, and in here I'm going to go here. You see the 6 dots allows me to add this container here. So let's go add a background so we can add a button or a header, something like that. So here, once you click the 6 buttons, you have here an editor container. So here you have additional options, the container that tells you, the columns is the justify, the size, and so forth. In style, if you click that's the style. This is the structure, the style of the box, and this is advanced settings for this box. So let's go to style, the second one. Here in the classic, we're going to click there, and we're going to add a background image. Let's go select. I'm going to get some photos from images, and I'll tell you what you need to save them as. Okay, let's see, web. Okay, that is another web. So this is a PNG. Okay, let's go select this one. But I'll tell you what you need to do. So here you need to add Before you add anything, you need to, oh, this has a background. Let's go add another one. So, not very many images. I have it in another computer. Okay. All of these images are actually too big. So let's go use. The best thing is, no, this one. Let's go use this one. You can change it later. Now we'll look for a picture right now. So here I'm going to put ULA consulting banner. So you have to add alt text. So when the index, when the page, when the search engine is looking, say, oh, okay, this image belongs to this site. So we always make sure that you add a description, you alter text. And here it is, but you see this very, very short. We need to actually add position, attach image, full size, auto, maybe, and update. All right. So now I wanted this to be a little bigger, so I want to go to the layout and maybe for minimal height. Let's go do 500 maybe. Oh, too much. Let's see, 400. That seems like good. Update. So now my background image is nice. I will look for another one in a second, right? And I wanted to add a caption here called uh, uh, use ChatGPT to create some content because my mind is not coming with anything. How about where you can find industry insights? Okay. I'm clicking here in the grid and I'm going to look for a heading, right? And I'm going to drop that heading in the middle, right? And I'm going to add uh, where you find the industry is in sites. Okay, so where you find the indices inside. Perfect. However, this doesn't look too good. So actually, I'm going to go to the style here, right? And first, I'm going to look for explore let me see trends. All right. My computer is really slow when I have something else going on. Okay, so for text, let's see this. Oh, how about this color here? So before you do anything, you had to create a palette, like the main colors that you're going to be using. For now, I'm going to use this for my text color. Maybe I'll change in a minute. So here I had created some other palettes before for different types of business. I'm going to use that blue. And here you see text color and also I want it in the middle. I'm going to change the text color of this. I'm going to update. Yes. Now, for the typography, I don't like roboted. I'm going to get maybe Georgia. Let's see Georgia. Georgia's nice. Yes. And maybe, no. 600 is nice. Okay. Let's see typography here. Content. And here the tag is H2. Let's see H3. I'll leave this at H2. Style. Let's see. Date. I want this to be in the middle though. Okay. So let's see. It's not, well, here it doesn't give me the color, typography, the stroke, shadow, blend mode. Let's go to advanced. And padding. $50. I want a little bit down margins. I think it has to be a little more, about 60. 60. Okay. I'm gonna need to change that picture, but okay. So you see that you have the header that you cannot see it. So I'm going to go to pixels. No, that's not it. Let's say office. I like this one. Always. Let's see another one. And then you can see the text. No, that's too busy. They'll be too busy. Uh, let's see. I like this one. Oh, how about this one? It's a little bit busy. You do have to spend some time looking for the proper photo. I think I'm going to select this one. Okay, let's go download. Make sure that you always put this correctly. All right. So before we finish editing this, I'm going to resize this in Photoshop.